Hey guys, I'm back in all of my post-workout messy hair glory. Now, I haven't posted a video in, it's gonna be almost a year, I feel, like a vlog style video, because my life got pretty busy. I was pretty overwhelmed with auditions, events, acting stuff, jobs. I hired a publicist. So I decided I was gonna take a break, and I did. And many of you have been asking for footage of these things I'm going to and these things I'm doing with my life. So from now on, I decided I am gonna be back on YouTube, but I'm just gonna post little snippets of what I do whenever I have an interesting day, because like most of my days are pretty boring and nobody wants to see that. I just lay at home watching Netflix all day and then go work out at the gym. So today on my schedule, I've got a Skype interview with another YouTuber, Carlos Fariñas, I believe is how you pronounce his last name. I'm sorry if I butchered it. He wants to interview me about my fitness routine. So I'm going to be doing that. Then I'm going to the premiere of a film, which escapes me at the moment. Back Fork, that's the name of the movie. I waited till red light to check my email. So the name of the movie is Back Fork, and then after that, my friend Brandon Stewart, who was a contestant on American Idol, name drop, oh, let me pick it up, oh, I just picked it up, it's Brandon, invited me to a concert at the Whiskey A Go Go. I've never been before, so I'm really excited to go. And now, stay tuned for the snippets.
See a vape trick?
Yeah. That was the trick?
No, but I did get your wallet.
Wait, what? Come back.